I made $11,000 in commissions from TikTok Shop in the month of September. Now the crazy part is, most of that came from just one video. So if you're doing TikTok Shop and you want to learn how to make more sales, make sure to stick around until the end of this video. Now I'm going to show you the video that went crazy viral, and I'm also going to break down why it did so well. But if you don't know what TikTok Shop is, it's a marketplace on TikTok similar to Amazon. And TikTok Shop was actually competing with Amazon for a while. But it was recently announced that TikTok and Amazon are going to be collaborating. So that means you can be scrolling on TikTok and you might see an ad for a product that is sold on Amazon. You can actually purchase that product from Amazon without even leaving the TikTok app. This is going to make people trust purchasing something from TikTok a lot more. Now, I don't know when all of this is going to be official, but I know that it's going to be happening pretty soon. Now, let me show you the video that has earned me $11,000 in just 1 month. So this right here is my TikTok profile. If you want to follow me, you're more than welcome to. If you happen to follow me because of this video, just yeah, let me know on one of my videos. But let me show you the viral video that took off. So it's going to be this one right here that has 6.7 million views, and I'm going to break down why I believe it went so viral.
Faceplate on this broke off, and I was going to go to Home Depot and buy another one until I found this.
So what I want to break down right there is I had a hook right in the beginning of the video within the first 3 seconds. And the hook was basically me spinning around the broken faceplate. So if you notice, I'm replying to a comment that somebody left on a previous video. I made a video talking about another product, and I specifically made sure to include like my broken faceplate because I knew somebody was going to comment on that. So I replied to that promoting this specific product.
Sadly, the faceplate on this broke off, and I was going to go to Home Depot and buy another one until I found this.
And this right here is where I'm introducing the product that I'm actually promoting. It's a 6-in-1 multi-plug outlet. You just simply put it into your wall socket, and it turns a 2-wall outlet into 6.
So this
and that's basically what I explained in this video.
Outlet only has 2 plugs, which kind of leaves it limited to the things that you can plug in. But this allows you to plug up to 6 devices with 2 USB ports and a USB Type-C.
So it has 6 outlets plus 2 regular USB ports and a USB Type-C port. So I'm pretty much explaining what the product is and how it works.
Port. So let me show you how easy it is to install this. So let me first remove this outlet right here and the faceplate.
And that's kind of like another hook to recapture the viewer's attention. When I pull out the plug, the faceplate from the wall socket falls down.
Plate comes off. So the back of this has an outlet plug that you just plug directly into the outlet on your wall, and this bottom part is just like a dummy plug. You connect that right there.
So right there, I'm just explaining how to install the wall outlet. It's just as simple as plugging it into your regular wall outlet.
Boom, the light's on and it has power. Did I also mention it has a built-in night light?
So right there, I'm just talking about another feature that this product can do.
So you can pretty much plug this directly into your outlet, start plugging things in, and call it a day. But since this is...
And I'm just showing that the product actually works.
Going to be more of a permanent replacement, I'm going to use the screw that it comes with to secure it in. So let me just remove this here. Now I just got to remove the screw that was holding the old faceplate. Pop.
So at this point in the video, I'm just explaining how to install it permanently.
This bad boy back in. And put this screw directly in the hole right here. And just tighten it up. And now it's pretty secure.
So again, this is just another example of showing how the product works and showing that it actually does work.
And just like that, I turned a regular 2-wall outlet into 6 outlets, plus 2 USB ports with a USB Type-C port. I also forgot to mention that this thing right here is a surge protector as well. If you want to see the stats of this wall outlet surge protector, just pause the video.
So I believe it was important to include this part of the product description. This is basically the instruction manuals for this specific product to show people who have questions. How does it work? What type of voltage can it handle? What type of features does it offer? And this is why I tell people to pause at this part of the video.
Video here. But other than that, I'm glad that I found this on the TikTok shop. And if you want to get one for yourself, it's actually cheaper than most surge protectors.
So I'm not telling people buy this product because a lot of people don't like hearing that because they hear it all the time for anybody who's selling a product online or any product in general. They're always being told buy this product, you need this product, hurry up, it's on sale. I'm not telling people to buy it. I'm just kind of leading them into the sale by saying I'm glad I found this product on the TikTok shop and it's cheaper than most surge protectors. So that builds curiosity in the viewer's mind because I'm not telling them what the price is. All I'm saying is that it's cheaper than most surge protectors. So they're going to be curious to see what the price is by clicking on the orange shopping cart button on the bottom left hand corner. I know you can't see it because I'm on PC, but when you're on mobile, you'll see the orange shopping cart button. Now, I actually want to go over to the comment section because the more comments that you have, the more engagement that your video is going to get, which means it's going to get pushed out to more people. So two things that you want to include when creating a video is controversy and curiosity. So let's take a look at a few of the comments, and most of them are pretty much the same. They're saying that I'm going to blow out a fuse, I'm going to burn down my house, I need to replace that faceplate, I need to replace the whole wall socket because it's a hazard. Some people are just leaving funny comments, like this one says, run 6 power strips to those 6 connections, imagine the possibilities. So they're basically telling me to overload the circuit, trip the circuit, pretty much telling me to plug in so many items that it's going to potentially burn down my house. But comments like that are always going to drive engagement on your video. Here's another one. Next step, plug 6 power strips into it. You can run 36 items off of one outlet. Fire hazard, who's going to tell him? Holy circuit overload, Batman. Does it come with built-in smoke detector? So a lot of the comments are negative, but you shouldn't be afraid of negative comments because that drives more engagement. Here's actually someone defending me. All of these electricians in the comments obviously have no idea how circuits work. And this person has 35 replies to his comment. So you want to have people living in the comment sections of your videos because that drives just more engagement. Now, if you stuck around this long on this video, I want to just share another tip, and that's how to pick winning products from the TikTok shop. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My camera died, so you're just going to see me share my screen for this part. But if you are already in the TikTok shop creator program, this is how you find winning products. So when you go to your profile, you're going to click on this little shopping cart button right there. So let me click on that, and then you click on TikTok Shop Creator Center, and this is going to bring you to the dashboard of the Creator Center, and you're going to see a few different options. As you scroll down, you're going to see products that are recommended. You're going to see them listed by best products, best sellers, recommended for you. But this is how I always do product research. You just click on product marketplace, and then it's going to show you different categories, trending products, and then best sellers. So I like to go through the different categories of trending products and also best sellers. So I'll just click on best sellers, and you can filter this out by high commission. You can filter it out by top brands and top selling. So I'll look at top selling. That's what I usually look at, and it's going to show you the top selling products. So this neck massager, I already have it. I've made a few different videos on it, and I made a few sales from this one. So this is a pretty good product to promote. Now you can also filter out additionally. So you can filter out by the price range. So if you want to promote a product for under $20, you can click on that and view results. Now it's going to show you products that are $25 or less. And you can also filter out by the commission rate. So if you want to promote a product that's going to pay you at least 10 to 15% commission, you can also do that as well. View results, and then it's going to just narrow down the search results. And then you can just go through any product that you feel like you would resonate with or something that you would feel comfortable promoting. So let's say this Helimix blender shaker. If I want to promote that, it's going to have this pop up for me, and then I can create a shoppable video. Now, some sellers, they will give you free samples. This seller is not giving away free samples. If they were, there would be a top option right here that would say get free sample. But also, you can look at the top selling creators for this specific product, and it'll show you their videos. So this one is a top selling product.
Can you review the shaker cup?
Don't mind if I do.
The shaker you guys always see.
And then it also has video insights. They have the key highlights from the specific video that did so well. And that's how you pick winning products. It's pretty simple. Real quick, if you're enjoying this video so far, I invite you to hit that thumbs up because it helps this video get picked up by the algorithm. Now, if you don't know what the requirements are in order to join the TikTok Shop Creator Program, you need to first meet the community guideline standards. You need to be 18 years or older, and you need to have 5,000 followers or more. Now, I've seen people join the program with only 1,000 followers. But in order for them to join the program, they need to be invited directly from TikTok. And it's highly unlikely that anybody with less than 5,000 followers would be accepted now. So I would just recommend to focus on hitting those 5,000 followers. Now, if you don't have 5,000 followers yet and you want to join the program, here's what I would do if I had to start a brand new account. First, you want to pick a niche. This can be something like fishing, video games, gambling, anything that people are interested in. And then you want to understand who your target audience is. Then just simply create content that your target audience would be interested in watching. So for example, if your target audience is stay-at-home moms, you would understand who your target audience is. Obviously, moms who are staying at home. And then create content that they would be interested in watching. And finally, just stay consistent. That's the key to growing any profile on any social media. Now, you might think that it's too late to get started with the TikTok Shop Creator Program, but in reality, TikTok Shop is still in its infancy stage. This program was introduced in September of 2023. When you compare it to other online marketplaces, that's still brand new. Now, if you already are in the TikTok Shop Creator Program and you want to learn how to create better content, how to pick winning products, learn the do's and don'ts of TikTok Shop so you don't get your account shut down, and also how to even get free samples from sellers, this is exactly why I created this free guide. It's called the TikTok Shop Playbook, and it'll teach you exactly how to do that. Now, these are the exact same steps that I've used that have helped me earn $11,000 in just 1 month. So if you want to get access to that free guide, I'll leave the link for that down in the description of this video. Now, if you are not in the TikTok Shop Creator Program yet and you do qualify, I would highly recommend to take full advantage of it. We're already in Q4 of the year and it's expected to be super crazy. But I want to know what your thoughts are about TikTok Shop. Do you think that it's going to be something that's bigger than Amazon? Let me know down in the comments. Now, if you want me to create more videos sharing more tips and tricks about TikTok Shop, make sure to hit that like button and comment TikTok Shop down below. Now, it's been a while since I posted a longer form video here on YouTube, but if you want to learn more about digital marketing, TikTok Shop, or just earning online, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and comment down any suggestions of videos that you want to see from me. But other than that, here's a video that YouTube is recommending to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.